going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in the Santa Clarita clearance store. Haven't been here in a while. Let's go see what they got. All right, it's been a week or two since I've been here. Do got a couple gift cards. All right, let's go see if we can find use for them. All right, in here, of course, gotta check, see what's behind there. They do got some LeBron 2s. I don't know what size. I might have to. Oh, it might be my size. Ooh, let's go. Oh, they do, but I hope one of these fools don't take them. I know those don't have crazy resale, but I'll take those, especially for $100. Yeah, $100. Ooh, I'm gonna grab those. Didn't even try them on. Yeah, let's go look. All right, I'm so glad resellers aren't on these because I freaking love these. So did grab these bad boys. Looks like it's been worn, tried on. I really don't care because it's gonna be for me. So I'm not too worried. Still in really good condition. Yeah, I got it for $100. Dude, that's what's up. Yeah, so yeah, I'm good with that. Let's go. I didn't try these on because I've already tried them on before, so I didn't even bother because I already know the sizing. Got them for $100. I did have a gift card too, so I think I only paid like $30 out of pocket because I had an $80 gift card. So I think I still have $150 left. But yeah, grab these. I've been wanting these. That's what's up. So I did grab these. Let's look around the size 10, 10.5, and then we're also gonna keep an eye on the. The heat card over there. See if anything comes in. But yeah, let's look at the 10, 10.5, and then move on. If you guys need blazers, y'all need to come here. Size 10 blazer jumbos, $50. $50 freaking dollars. Air Max 95. These were originally Quick Strikes. $80. That's the cheapest we've seen that. These trainers right here going for $60. Hella clean for $60. These I think are $160, so $100 off. Holy cow. Turbo green look to them. Air Madas. Not really too familiar with these. Going for $60. Whenever I see that elephant colorway, I'm like, man, what is that? Like, ADG 4 Golfs. Over $80. Jordan 1 Low. Elevates. And it's in the wrong size right here. It's a women's 8.5. Yeah, I got them. They're $60. Size 10.5. Do you got the Crater Trail Mox? Going for $80. Jumpman 2 trays. Going for $70. Katy Tray 510s. Going for $40. Holy cow. Air Force One. Got that nylon on the side right here. Definitely interesting. Okay, these are going for $60. Air Force Ones for $60. Got plenty of these Air Max 95s. Moving on to the 11s, the Air Deldons going for $60. Got tons of these. Got tons of those ADG Golf. And these Air Max 95s as well. All size 11s. In the size 12s, barber shops do got these bad boys, $80. These originally came out for what, $185, I believe, and these are tanks, dude. Big fan of these. Got the metal aglets and everything. Okay. We got the KD Infinity Team Bangs going for $60. Pretty sure I mentioned size 12, right? Yep. We got the LeBron 19 lows going for $70. More of these KDs. We saw a ton of these last time. $60 for those. Immortalities down to $40. Wow. Got some Westbrooks. Take ones going for $50. Zoom Freak 3s going for $60. That's a 12.5 though. Moving to the back wall right here. Size 13s and above. Got some Air Max 95 with some reflective material on it. Go for $70. Okay, mostly nubuck. I haven't seen that colorway, but yeah, $80, not bad. Bunch of these ice shots. We've been seeing a ton of ice shots here, going for $50. Jordan Access. Didn't Ben Affleck, wasn't he signing one of these in the movie premiere of the Air Jordan movie? That's kind of funny. $50. People were clowning, saying, "Hey, where the actual real retros at?" More Infinities going for $60. Monarchs, seen these in a bunch of different colorways and a bunch of different colors. And show y'all $50 for those. Size 14, dude, got some Other Jordans going for 80 bucks. There's Jordan 37s. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Dang, no love for Big Feet Gang. Just not much for you guys. Infinity Rough Liners go for 80. We got the Streak Fly Premiums. Zoom X shoes going for 80. Some of these Air Forces, size 13s. That's about it, dude, with the big feet. I don't even see no 15s worth it. I am keeping an eye on that Heat card over there. There's nothing else, On feet, I am wearing some Jordan Hydro 6s, showing off my crusty feet. And then shorts and a t-shirt, pretty much about it. Checking out the smaller sizes, do see some of the Jordan 36 Low Lucas. Dude got me a pair of these. These are pretty fire, man. Dude got a size 10 right here, the LeBron Palmer. LeBron 9s go for 100 bucks. Got a few of these. Okay. Of course, we got more of these. I told you there's plenty of those and plenty of sizes. Size 9 Zions go for 60 bucks. The Jordan 23 systems, or System 23s. Definitely not a fan of these, going for 50. Pretty much Crocs with like a lining. You could take the lining out too. Starting to see Griffey's here. That's insane because Griffey's popularity was sky high. And now they're here for what, 50% off? Freaking $80. That's an 8.5. Air Force One Lux over $60. Only a size 8.5, but still these are fire, dude. Because these go for what, 160 or something like that. They had my size. I probably would pick these up. Use them for my boots because I don't really have boots. But yeah, these are fire, dude. These are crazy. $60. That's insane. Blazer. These are Corp Blazers. Oh wait, no, it's a premium. Going for 50. This is 9. This is interesting because it's like corduroy in the back and then it's suede in the front. Kind of interesting materials. It is a Blazer mid. I haven't seen too many of these at all. Size 8, more of these bad boys going for 60. Zoom Freaks 4s going for 60. Zoom Freak 3s as well. Interesting colorway. Flight Posits. These still here. That's surprising. 8.5 going for 100 bucks. KD 14 size 8.5 going for 70. That's about it, dude. Size 8 Zion 2s going for 60 bucks. These Zion 2s are fire. I'm not gonna lie. These are dope. Here, if you guys haven't seen these, here these go. Surprised more NBA players don't wear these because these are pretty fire, dude. A lot of lockdown protection up front. Yeah, they're fire. Remember, it isn't one per day from the hype card anymore, or from the Heat card. So a lot of people are just kind of sitting around waiting for that. All right, let's look elsewhere, dude. I haven't seen them restock the hype card at all, or the Heat card. All right, let's look around. Let's look around the apparel and everything else. Let's look at some of this stuff. Nike everyday socks. These are the no-shows. These are normally, I think, 20. Go for 15. That is for youth. They do have men as well right here. So men 8 to 12. Those also go for 15. We got the crew socks, everyday crew socks. White, black, and gray. Go for 10 bucks. I don't remember the usual price. I know they're more than 10 bucks normally. Remember, there is the Nike Everyday socks. That's the lower end stuff. Then they got the Everyday Plus, which is supposed to be a little. Oh, it is. It's noticeably thicker, especially down low on the bottom right here. These are going for 15. So, yeah, make sure you look at them because Everyday Plus. Way better. I don't know why it's the same price, but it is a little bit thicker on the bottom, noticeably thicker on the bottom. Then they got these regular socks as well, go for $7. Normally 18 down to 7. This is 2 pairs right here. Got a few of them. This is 1 pair, go for $7. This is 2 pairs right here. Okay, kind of depends on the color, I guess, and stuff. All right, checking out apparel. Yeah, I've picked up so many hoodies. I need like some non-Jordan Nike hoodies. I need like some Reebok ones. I need some other brands, or maybe non-sneaker brands, so I can kind of wear it with everything. These are going for $10. JDIs go for 10 bucks. Long sleeve shirts normally 25. These are all larges, I believe. Yeah, all larges. Got this LA Rams hoodie going for 40 bucks. That's a large. Still got these Ray Gun Carter jerseys, $1.10 down to $40. That's a medium. Got a hoodie right here. What hoodie is this? Hoodie going for $25. Damian Lillard jerseys going for 25 bucks. This is a small though. Or is it a large? It's extra large for kids. Damn, that's fire. Been seeing a bunch of Damian Lillard jerseys go for hella cheap. Is he gonna trade it? Is he gonna trade it or something that I don't know? Jordan long sleeve shirts. These are going for 20 bucks. Okay. Oh, the color was kind of crazy. I was like, is this a Dornbecker hoodie or something? $25, normally $60. That is a medium. I have found Dornbecker hoodies here. They are fire. Dude, this is really nice. This is normally $80. It is a pullover down to $30. That is a medium. That's really nice material. This Tech Fleece. Tech Fleece down to $60. Normally $155 down to $60. Holy cow, that is fire. That is cheap. Man. Jordan long sleeve shirt go for 20 bucks. Normally 55. This is a small though. These look like work long sleeve Dickies looking short shirts. What the hell are these going for? These are $60. Normally 160. 160 for that? Really? Damn, these are all XLs right here. They got large as well. ACG sweatshirts or sweater. That's actually a sweater. Is it not ACG? I thought it was ACG. I don't know. 175 down to $60. That one was an XL. $30 for these jackets. So that's a little too much for me, like the color wise. Tech Pack do have a raincoat, pretty much like a raincoat. $60. Oh, it's a poncho. 60 bucks. I don't know what that's hella big though. This is a small? It's a small? Maybe because you just wear it over. Yeah, there's no arm. What the hell? That's the biggest poncho I've ever seen in my life. Oh, what the hell? That's a small? God damn, dude. Apparently I don't know how ponchos work. But yeah, that's crazy. Dude, got the Christmas sweats right here. Go for 25 bucks. Those are all small though. That Nike Golf right here. Nike Golf pants go for 30 bucks. Bunch of different sizes. I know Nike Golf normally is not cheap. Nike t-shirts, they're all dry fit t-shirts going for $10. That's not too bad, not bad. Dude, got the LA shirts, 15 bucks. Normally 35. I love those LA shirts. I do. Seeing if they got them in medium. Do I really need to double up on a shirt like that? Not really, but I like having them. Don't see any black ones. Okay, these are going for $15. The Jordan, is this the Jordan Engineering shirt? No, not really. NBA All-Star shirts, 15 bucks. They are doing a restock. All the resellers are getting in line right now. I'm gonna get in line too, just to see what they got. I see a Jordan 1 box right there. I see multiple Jordan 1 boxes and then some Jordan 3s or whatever. So they do got some dunks. They got the Jordan 1 High Laneys right there. They got the Crafts, but that's a grade school. The Craft 4s, that is a grade school. All the fools are grabbing those. What else? They got LeBrons, but that's a kid size. They got the Jordan 1 Lows on the bottom. That's a kid size. Oh, that's a Jordan 1 Mid on the bottom as well. Yeah, they got the Dunk Low. That's the Be True Dunk Low right there. That's an SB, I think. I think that's it. Yeah, they got the LeBrons. Oh, they did LeBron 20s right there, size 13. So someone's grabbing, that fool's grabbing the Laneys right there. Doing like commentary, huh? They got the Jordan 1 High Mids right there. They got 3 of those. I don't even want any of these. I'm just showing y'all fools. And then the prices, I don't know the prices. The LeBrons are 100 bucks. I think the Crafts, the grade school, those are usually what, 80, 90 bucks. They have the, what's called Jordan 1 High Gore-Tex right there. Those are usually what, 80 bucks, 100 bucks, something like that. No, he said no to the Laneys, but But yeah, you can see all the resellers up top. They're all trying to bogart everything. They'll like loop the line even when there's nothing there, just so they can grab stuff. I think I'm done, dude. I just wanted to show you all this. But okay. All right, didn't buy anything on the restock. The Laneys, those were size 11.5. But yeah, I'm out. I am out. Go. Maybe just get a thumbnail and then I think we're done. All right, guys, that was pretty much about it. It was interesting. I did sit there for a bit to see if they had a restock. They finally had a restock, but now I need to leave because I gotta go pick up my kid from school. But did grab these LeBron 2s. I've been wanting this colorway, specifically this colorway, so I was happy to get those, especially for $100 off. That was pretty fire. The Laneys, I could have got the Laney Jordan 1 Laney highs. Those would have been what, $80 I think, which was a fantastic deal. But I need to stop just grabbing stuff just because they're cheap, because that's how I have like a million different things. So I need to stop that. That's been my goal, and I'm sticking to it. We'll see how long that goes. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Pretty decent price on apparel. You can find some dope apparel. You can definitely find some steals on those. But yeah, man, it's all about the heat card. If you like, if you need some performance sneakers and stuff, like real specific stuff, you can definitely find those in the aisles as well. But that's pretty much about it. Oh, I'm looking for my truck. Got the charger today. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos coming. That's pretty much about it. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah. Yeah.